Welcome once again to Keep on Learning online class. And my name is Teacher Emmanuel, a teacher of mathematics. And remember that in the previous episode, we were talking about different questions relating to a rectangle. And today, I come up with different questions relating to a rectangle. And we are going to see very good and important questions that can help a learner of P5, P6 to pass with a certain exam, either school exam, district exam, sector exam, or national exam. And before, if it is for the first time to watch this video, make sure that you subscribe so that all uploaded videos on this YouTube channel called Keep on Learning online class will be seen on your screen. So now let's start by this question number 3. The question number 3 is asking, observe the figure below and answer the questions that follow. Observe the figure below and answer the question that follow. So here we have a rectangle as normal as usual. We have these lengths where 3x plus 1 in bracket centimeter. We have also another length x plus 9 centimeter in bracket. We have also with 3x minus 7 in bracket centimeter. And here the question that follow we were talking about are those one A, B, C. We have the three main questions A, B, C, A, B, C. Let's start by A. Question number 3, sub-question A. Name the figure. Name the figure. So, when you look at this figure, you may find that this is a rectangle. As I have said, when you're talking about rectangle, I have said geometric figure that has 4 sides and the 2 parallel sides are equal. And here, the question, sub-question A, it is a rectangle. A rectangle. It is a rectangle as the name of the figure. And then sub-question B is asking, calculate the value of x. Calculate the value of x. And here, just like you know, this side and this side, the 2 parallel lines or the 2 sides are equal. That's why when we are going to find the value, of x, we are going to equalize the 2 sides. So meaning that we are going to equalize the 2 sides. Here we have 3x plus 1 is equal to x plus 9. As I have said that this side and this side are equal. That's why we are going to equalize one side to another side so that we can easily find the value of x. So then we are going to solve this equation. 3x, and remember that when a number or a sign or an x comes from outside of the sign of equal and comes here, it will change the sign. Here this x has positive sign, and when it comes here, it will be negative. Minus x is equal to positive 9 minus 1. So meaning that this one has a positive sign. When it comes here, it will change the sign, then become negative. That's why we subtract 1. Then 3x minus x is equal to 2x. And 2x will be equal to positive 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. And therefore find the value of x. X will be equal to 8 divided by 2. When you take 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So therefore the value of x is equal to 4. It is what? they were asking here. So calculate the value of x. So x here is equal to 4 to 4. And remember that we are in centimeters, but we are going to use them later. So the value of x is equal to 4. Then we go to sub-question C. Sub-question C is asking, calculate the perimeter and the area of the field. Remember that by using the formula, perimeter is equal to length plus width times 2. And the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. This is the formula we are going to use here on this question. But here we don't have perimeter. But the way of finding perimeter, and you cannot find perimeter when you don't have length and even width. You cannot find the area when you don't have length and width. Now we are going to find the length. How do we find length? We are going to take the numbers. We are going to take the numbers, either this one or this one, because the two sides are equal, and then we find length or we find width. Here, length will be equal. Let's take x plus 9. We have said that x is simplified. This x is representing 4. It is 4 plus 9. So that we can prove whether what you have said here, this one is equal to this one. It will be equal to 4 plus 9, which is equal to 13 centimeter. And let's prove that if you take a 3x plus 1 is equal to 13, you will say 3x plus 1 is equal to 13. It is equal to 13. How do we prove? Here we will say 3x, it is 3 times 4, because I have seen that x is equal to 4 plus 1. This is 12. If you take 12 plus 1, it is equal to 13. So therefore, we can prove that this side is equal to 13 centimeter, and also this side is equal to 13 centimeter, which is the length. And then we find width. Our width is this one. It is 3x minus 7. It is 3 times x, which is equal to 4 minus 7. It will be equal to 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So therefore, this side is represented by 5 centimeter, and also this side is also equal to 5 centimeter of width. And now we are going to, since width is equal to 5 centimeter and length is equal to 13 centimeter, now we are going to find the perimeter and even the area. Let's start by the perimeter as they have said previously. Perimeter, since perimeter is equal length plus width times 2, it will be equal to length 13 centimeter plus 5 centimeter times 2. This is equal to 18 centimeter times 2 will be equal to 36 centimeter. So this is the perimeter. And let's look at the area. Area is equal to length times width. It will be equal to 13 centimeter times 5 centimeter. And let's multiply and we see what we can get. 13 times 5 times 5. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. I like 5, I carry 1. 1 times 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So therefore the area is equal to 65 centimeter square. I think this question is very easy and clear to understand. And now we are going to look at the question number 4. And remember that